That guy's stupid.
Stupid, man.
Or like
He killed another man. Okay, it's okay. I think he died from demon. Sold. Now, fuck it three-way, bro. Spreads out, stupid. He said sorry, no? Go three-way, man. I don't care about sorry anymore, man. Spread, guys, spread. Spread. Stay inside castle for now. Yo, Ditang, watch northeast, watch northeast. Come south a bit. Neighborhood. Come northeast. Okay, come west side again. Come west side. Come west side. Let's just fake. Just fake. Wait. Just hold. Come southeast more. Try to pull them southeast. Come southeast, guys. Wait. It's patience. The three of us are club, men. I think Bulan is DC. No. Really? I'm good. I'm good. Bulan Julie, can you pull them to gate? Yes. 8 minutes. Okay, get ready. The fuck was that, man?
You don't allow players anymore.
Magic.
Bulan, pull them now. On gate. Wait. Get ready. Wait. Hold. Hold lang. Pull these D-tanks, Bulan. On gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On gate now. Now, come back. Come back. Defense. Tap in, guys. Tap in first. Tap in and hold. Now walk northwest. Tell me go down.
Ready.
On northwest now. Spot kick and northwest now. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. That's everyone. Delete that. No, come back. Come back southeast. Be careful, ha. The skull is in you. Get ready, depth. Come back, guys. Come back. Yo, silence honey so we can engage. Silence him. Nice one. Come back southeast, guys. Southeast. Okay. Shallow again. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On ground. Get the sealer. Wait. You didn't get the drop, right? No drop. No. Push north. Come north. Spread a bit. Spread. Come north more. Hug northwest. Come northwest more. Okay. Walk. Tell me cool down.
Ready.
East side deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east side. Deep east. Come west. Hilar ditang. Honey's inside you. Okay, wait. Hold here. Ditang sa pinis. Tell me go.
Ready.
North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Kill this. Nice one. Come southwest. Now come southeast. Come walk. Just walk. Yo, bam on ground. Kill this bitch. Come walk. Come south. Come northwest. No. Wait. Chill. Chill lang. Come northwest. Come more. Come southwest. No more nap, bro. Come southwest. I'm over here. Find me.
Yo, they fight now.
Keep walking. Yeah. We make them lose their sights on us first, okay? Keep walking.
They're one day.
Okay, walk northeast now. East now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Delete that. No, come back southwest. Be careful, honey gonna look on you. Come southwest. Hold, defense of GA. Okay, nice one. Hold southwest. Hold southwest. Tell me cool down. Tell me cool down. Yeah. Tell me cool down. Be still of engage. They can look. They can look. We play counter. We play counter. Hold lang. Come southwest more. Pull them inside. Serve. Come in. Bulan. They gonna look at you. Come. Southwest more. Pull them in, boys. Walk northeast. Keep walking northeast. Find ground. Northeast now. Northeast in 5. Northeast in 4. Northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Northeast now. Keep pushing out. Swap side. Judy and ground. Swap side. Honey looking. Depth. Giga. Walk southwest. Keep walking southwest. Inside us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us. Push southwest. Come back in Gasel. Push southwest. Heal. Silence. Step. Keep pushing in, guys. You're good. You're good. Okay.
Ready.
Wait lang. Get ready now. On choke now. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On choke. Delete it. TPS. Yo. Come back southwest. Yo. Stun honey. CC. Let go in, guys. Go in. I'll stop them. Go in, Lord room. Go in Lord room now. Go in room. Okay. Wait lang. Hold. Stabilize in Lord room first, guys. You can come from southwest. Stabilize first. Oh no, Bulan Julie died, man. Just hold. Pull them in southwest. I think we have to double OC, bro. Yeah, double OC, man. Double OC. Our healer is still good. We still have 4 DPS. We have 5 DPS. Come southwest more. Healer, be careful up front. Spread. It's okay. They have faster regear though. You know what? Come west, guys. Come west. Faster. Come west. We bait them. Come west side. Come west fast. Come west fast. Tap out and hold. Now tap in. Pop giga. 30 now. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Now tap out again. Pop giga. I drop duty. Tap out first. Tap out, guys. Tap out. Tell me cool down. Walk. Tap in now. Go on southeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Now come back in Lord room. Come back in Lord room. Guard runes on stair. Come back southeast. He say have engage. Come east lang and hold. Commission hold. They can engage. Yo, capture now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Now come back southeast. We can delete, man. We can delete. No, push northwest. Tap out northwest, boys. It's gonna be messy. Tap out northwest. Tap out on ground. I give you duty here. Come on. Tap out fast. Tap out here. Tap out and come southwest. Tap out and come southwest. Tap out and come southwest and hold. DPS, please drop. I need every DPS here. Yo, dep. Nicely. Walk. Tap in, out. Tap in, guys. Tap in and heal. Shallow lang in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Head back. No, come back. Tap out. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's everyone. Oh shit, cannot delete, man. Come back, come northeast, come northeast. Stabilize first, stabilize, boys, stabilize. Sure is messy, man. It sure is messy. Fucking messy.
Ready.
Messy. Okay, hold. Did we kill someone there?
We kill three.
We killed three. Okay, nice. Hold.
No mana healer.
Okay. Come
Life
east.
first dead.
Kiwato, mana bro, mana. Come southwest, Kiwato.
Engage ako nako.
Sige. Get ready, defense ako Kiwato. Give him guard run. No more support, man. No, still have, man. Okay.
Sila 2 demon.
Okay. We still good.
Oh, dito actually. Don't worry, bro. I'm still running.
Stupid neighborhood.
You're gonna break.
Come southeast. Come south more. South. Yo, brawl this pool. Get ready, come south again. Come south to more. Bring them in. Do you guys have many loot now?
I have 7M. Ako 7M.
Kiwato, okay. You know what? Let's try baiting them again. Come east side.
Sarado pa yung east side, pre.
Yeah. Come east side.
We're gearing, VJ. I don't hear the stealth zone, bro. We're gearing.
Come southwest more. Yeah.
They're going northwest. They're bonking the northwest one.
Sino confident na makakatakbo yan?
Mount up. I think that's enough, Yam. Some of our people need to leave.
Okay, let's go. 8 mil, bro. Easy.
Bro, daily gear. BJ, daily gear parts, bro.
Yeah.
Daily gear part, bro. Yeah.
We already walking, bro.
I'm already moving out. Booby.
Bro, Woods. I'm 3
Booby, it's okay, bro. It's okay, Booby. They really gear faster than us, bro. They have closer zone. So it's either we're gonna fight until our OC break 2, and some of our healers have to leave.
Yeah, I need to go now.
Yeah, man.
Kung nakita na sana yun eh.
Mas pa tayo sa Martista.
Yeah. We just come southeast and cool down, bro.
I don't even know how I die, bro. Fucking headbutt.
Kung control ko na dapat kasi
Sayang yun.
control ko na.
Nung nag-top out sila, chance na natin yun. Na-wait na din.
Hindi ako nun, man. Nag-assassin hood muna ako. Just hold.
Easy.
Solid, BJ.
Bro, I already walked 7 maps, bro.
Why die in the first place, buddy? Come on now.
Uy!
No idea, bro. Still on my hotcasting, bro.
You're